If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our Jasmy video update. Yesterday there was a wall that I was talking about, and I've still told you that, for me personally, there's a price target for Jasmy which is actually up here to 9,602. That's the price target that I've been looking for in a while. And as far as I see things, Jasmy is trying to do its best to break above that wall right now. And the candles that are forming, I like the candles that are forming out there, which is pretty good to see. For example, if I do zoom out again, you do have this resistance up here, but you're still not clearly above the key resistance. It's still a little bit, but it's actually trying to push above. Okay, it's really trying to push above. Now, one thing I'm going to say is that I can safely maybe say that coming down near 6,457 is going to be a bad idea, because if you look at it this way, we're making some sort of a bull flag again, and you're looking to continue to that target. So if you take the top to the bottom, that's a continuation pattern for Jasmy, and Jasmy is again looking for 9,007 something, so that's going to be an increase of nearly another 33% move to the upside with the stop loss down here, which is actually 11%. So let's see what happens for Jasmy right now, but I think that's actually something good. Okay, this is like a bull flag being made, and you're trying to break above here, and you're trying to keep pushing to the upside. Now this is where you're going to have that massive resistance. Now be careful, however, because there's something you must know. Today Bitcoin is on let's say it's looking to maybe drop down to $22,000. okay, so you got to keep an eye on Bitcoin as well, because the question is if Bitcoin can affect Jasmy at all. Okay, if Bitcoin does go to $22,000 like this, and even though this is still a resistance right there, even though you have a bull flag, I get it, but it's still kind of having this resistance wall at the moment, then you could even try to retrace down, and this is going to turn into the first top and the second top, and this double top can be seen clearly on a 1 hour time frame. So if I dive into the 1 hour time frame, you can see that that can end up being the first top like this, and a second top like that, come down, break out of this key level here, and due to Bitcoin you can even retrace all the way down to nearly 5,679. So that's one thing I just want to tell you straight off the bat, because Bitcoin is losing structure. Watch the update on the channel, and let's see what happens. And you do know that when Bitcoin goes down, major coins go down. So that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy. Let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.